guys! Our dish for today is egg tofu. So here are the ingredients for our egg tofu. So we have 2 eggs, tofu, we have the butter, tomatoes sliced, the onion chopped, we have the garlic minced, then we have soy sauce, calamansi and chili, we have the black pepper and salt. So our procedure for our egg tofu, first natin yung ating butter. Konti lang muna. So, small butter lang. Our egg. Gawin natin siya sunny side up na egg. We have 2 of them. So, lagyan natin siya ng konting salt and pepper. Konti lang din. Set aside natin yung ating egg for later. Lagyan natin yung the rest of our butter. Para sa ating tofu. Lagyan natin yung tofu natin. So, gawin lang natin siya, i-crispy fry lang natin yung ating tofu. Pwede na natin i-flip yung ating tofu. Other side naman. So, malapit na maluto yung ating tofu. So, all done. Ang ating tofu is already cooked. Pwede na natin siyang hanguin. Then, may natira tayong butter. So, ang gagawin natin, yung ating garlic, na minced garlic natin. So, i-crispy lang natin siya ng konti. Konti lang yung pagka-crispy. Crispy lang natin siya. Okay, there we go. Then, ilagay natin siya dun sa ating tokwa. Then, i-assemble naman natin yung sauce niya. So, we have the tokwa already cooked. And now, pwede na natin lagyan siya ng ating onions. Then yung ating tomatoes. Then lagyan natin siya ng black pepper. Salt na konti. Then just squeeze the lime juice or yung ating calamansi. Then yung ating soy sauce. Of course, if you want konting maanghang, there you go. And then, itatapos na natin ngayon yung ating egg. There you go. Ito na ang ating egg tofu. Try, guys!